The Vancouver and Fraser Valley real estate markets continue to be hot, hot, hot. It's unbelievable, and the stats are coming up right after this. Stay tuned. Home sale activity in Metro Vancouver remained above historical averages in October. The overall supply of homes for sale dipped to levels not seen in 3 years. The Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 3,494 in October of 2021, which is a 5.2% decrease from the 3,687 homes recorded in October of 2020, and an 11% increase from the 3,149 homes sold in September of 2021. Last month's sales were 22.4% above the 10-year October sales average. Home sale activity continues to outpace what's typical for this time of year, and the pool of homes available for sale is in a decline. This dynamic between supply and demand is causing home prices to continue to edge up across the region. There were 4,049 detached, attached, and condo properties newly listed for sale on the multiple listing service in Metro Vancouver in October of 2021. This represents a 27% decrease compared to the 5,571 homes listed in October of 2020, and a 21% decrease compared to September of 2021, when there was 5,171 homes were listed. The total number of homes currently listed for sale on the MLS system in Metro Vancouver is now at 8,034, which is a 35.3% decrease compared to October of 2020, where there was 12,416, and a 13% decrease compared to September of 2021, when there was 9,236 listings. For all property types, the sales to active listings ratio for October of 2021 is 43.5%. By property type, the ratio is 36.3% for detached homes, and 64.4% for townhomes, and 46.7% for apartments and condos. Generally, analysts say downward pressure on home prices occurs when the ratios dip below 12% for a sustained period, while home prices are often experienced upward pressure when it surpasses the 20% or over several months. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark price for all residential homes in Metro Vancouver is now standing at $1,199,000. which represents a 14% increase over October of 2020, but only a 1.1% increase compared to September of 2021. Sales of detached homes in October of 2021 reached 1,090, which is an 18.4% decrease from the 1,335 detached sales recorded in 2020 October. The benchmark price for a detached home is now $1,850,500. This represents a 20.5% increase from October of 2020, but only a 1.2% increase compared to September of 2021. Sales of apartment condos reached 1,800 in October of 2021, which is a 14% increase compared to the 1,570 sales in October of 2020. The benchmark price for an apartment home now is $746,000. This represents a 9.5% increase from October of 2020 and a 1.1% increase compared to September of 2021. Attached townhomes, duplex home sales in October of 2021 totaled only 603, which is a 23% decrease compared to the 782 sales in October of 2020. The benchmark price now stands at $970,000. This represents an 18.5% increase from October of 2020, but only a 1.2% increase compared to September of 2021. So in summary, with all that information, you can probably tell that the market is still robust, and there's many areas in the whole of the Greater Vancouver market and Fraser Valley where the sell-through ratios are even above 100%. It's unbelievable what's happening in those areas, which we'll get into right now. So looking to break it down in the Metro Vancouver area, which you have the downtown area, east side, west side, North Van, West Van, Richmond, Tawasin, and Ladner. There's three top areas that are really taking off. One is Ladner, the second is Tawasin, and the third is North Vancouver. All those sell-through ratios are above 60%, but if you go to Ladner and Tawasin, it's above 100. It's unbelievable what's happening in those areas outside of the major city. And then looking into the greater Vancouver area, which includes Burnaby, Coquitlam, Port Coquitlam, Port Moody, Maple Ridge, and Pitt Meadows, there's three areas there that are absolutely exploded, and they're all above 90%. And that is Pitt Meadows, Coquitlam, and Port Coquitlam, all above a 90% sell-through ratio. We just sold a couple of homes in Pitt Meadows, and both of them went between $150,000 to $200,000 over the asking price. So that was a short overview of what's happening in the markets. If you're interested in the Fraser Valley, we have a video coming out shortly to address and look at what's happening out in that area, which is also crazy. So if you're looking for any more specific detailed information, whether it's a specific sub-area or another city, don't hesitate to call, text, or email us. We have all three of those packages available for free for you. Don't hesitate to give us a shout. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.